How to preview a post on Instagram. To get started, first of all, open up the Instagram application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Instagram homepage. Here, you can view posts and stories of your friends or people that you follow on Instagram. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on the new post icon. From here, you can add a new post, story, reel, or even go live on Instagram. Tap on Reel at the bottom. Now select the photos that you want to add to your reel from your camera roll. Then tap on Next. Here, you can add audio to your reel if you want. It will automatically sync your clips to any track. If you don't want to add audio, tap on Skip. Then tap on Next again. Here, go to the top and tap on Preview. You can now preview your reel here before sharing it. After previewing, tap on the share button below. You have now successfully shared the reel on Instagram. Following these steps, you can easily preview a post on Instagram.